So I had few blank canvases left and I realized this when I was sitting completely bored one day. So I decided to take one challenge, 8 day, 8 canvas, 8 painting challenge. Today on our first day, we will make one of the most iconic anime character of the all time, Luffy. I'm not really an anime fan, so I literally searched anime painting ideas on Pinterest, and Luffy was the first painting that popped up. But honestly, I liked that painting, so I decided to go with it on our first day. For this challenge, I'm using 10 canvases in total, 8 big canvases and 2 small ones. The small canvases are actually one painting split into 2 parts, so technically it's counted as one painting though. The main reason I started this challenge is because my living room's wall feels so empty. I want to add some colors to it, and secondly, I don't know what paintings to make on these canvases, so I just randomly decided let's go with anime. There's always that one moment during painting when it suddenly looks terrible before it starts looking good again. And that's where beginners leave their painting in a halfway through. Cause they think it won't turn out well, but actually it's the point where the painting takes its next step to become the final art piece. On our first day, I already learned my first lesson. I'd always start with background, then come to the face. As you can see, I painted his hairs first rather than his skin color. I learned my lesson and now I'm not gonna repeat the same mistake. Honestly, for the first painting of the challenge, I'm pretty happy how it turned out. Hopefully, next paintings will get even more better. This challenge is also to improve my art skills. So, if you have any other anime characters you think I should try next, comment down below and let me know, please. I'm not an anime fan, as I said. Let's meet next week with a new anime character. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.